I have a presentation here that has notes on most of the slides. One way to view the notes is down on the status bar, click Notes, and it toggles between showing the notes and hiding the notes. Another way is to go to the View tab and then choose Notes Page. And the format you see here is the same format you'll see if you print this out. So I'll go to the File tab and I'll go down to Print and I'll select Notes Page. And what if you decided you'd like to have more text and just a small picture of the slide? Just exit out of the print view and go to Notes Master. This is where you can resize the slide and then make the text area larger. You can also change this from portrait to landscape. So I'll go to Notes Page Orientation and choose Landscape. Then once I choose Close Master View, when you view it in the Notes page for this presentation, or if you go back to print, it will print in this new format.